Okay, we're ready to play number 4, which is called 4-score, and it uses that trusty B flat we were talking about last week. Remember, to find B flat, it's on the top row, okay, and it's the third of the 3, of the group of 3. That's a B flat. You actually have 3 B flats on your bell, so let's see if we can find them. We have the low B flat, which is the one from this song. We have the middle B flat, and then we have the really itty bitty little high B flat. Gentle with the high one, it's very ear piercing. Okay, so if you look at number 4, you can put your stick right on it. Number 4 in your book, you can see how low the B flat is. It's like so low, it's even below the C line. That means it's the lowest B flat. If you look at your bells, the low sounds, and you probably already figured this out, the low sounds are the long keys, and as it gets higher, the keys get smaller. So we're talking about low B flat. Okay? You can see in the song, you're going to put your stick right on it, and we're going to say the notes. Yes, it's only B flat, but I want you to look at it because you might be thinking, why is there only one flat sign? Do I switch to a different note if there's no other flat sign for the B flat? Well, no. In music, they only have to mark the first note flat, and the rest of them in that measure are flat. So we're only using B flat in this song. Let's put our stick on it and say the notes. Here we go. Saying the notes for number 4. 1, 2. Say the notes. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, rest. 2, 3, 4. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, rest. 2, 3, 4. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, rest. 2, 3, 4. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, rest. And the song's over. Ooh, let's check the sticking. I see some RL, RL. Now here's the thing. There's a way that you need to move your sticks so they don't hit each other while you're playing right, left, right, left. So check it out. So if I'm going right with my, I'm going right, left, I'm hitting, each stick is hitting in the middle of the bar. That means you need to kind of make a V. If you come in straight on top of each other, they're going to hit. So I'm coming in a little bit sideways so they don't hit each other. I think somewhere in your book, it shows the hands making a T and hitting them. That's not good because then they're not hitting in the same spot on the bar. So try a couple right now. Right, left. You notice you need to pull the one out of the way or else it's going to hit the other one. So this is why we talked about our down-up rhythm, our down-up motion being really fast. This is also when it's super important that you're squeezing with your thumb and your first finger because that's what makes your mallets move. If you have floppy fingers, you're going to have floppy mallets and they could like fly out of your hand. I want you to see how tight my grip is, okay? So I'm not giving it the death grip, but like I'm holding it so that it can't move out of my fingers. This would be too loose, right? It came right out. Sometimes people like to hold it like this. Okay, so thumb, pointer finger, wrap it around, use your back fingers to wrap around, and then test it. Can you pull it out? Then your grip is hard enough. I'll do it with my other hand too. All right, wrap around. Nope, nice and tight. Okay, so let's try. Remember, B flat's down here, so find that B flat. Set up nice and high. Remember, you're aiming for the center of the bar with each stick, so get the other stick out of the way. Here we go. This is number 4, 4-score. 1, 2, ready, play. And rest. 2, 3, 4. And rest. 2, 3, 4. And rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest, and the song's over. Awesome. Ready for number 5. Number 5 is going to use all of the notes we've learned. So D, C, and B flat. We got to figure out what they look like so we don't hit the wrong note. So put your stick right on number 5. Number 5 is called mix 'em up. Put your stick right on it. If you're not really sure what the note is, you can look up at these tan boxes to get a little check, but I'll tell you the first note is D. Okay, so let's put our stick right on it. We're going to say the notes for number 5. 1, 2, say the notes. D, C, rest. 2, 3, 4. C, 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 rest. 2, 3, 4. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, rest. 2, 3, 4. C, 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 rest, and the song's over. Just a friendly reminder, we don't put our hands down in the rest. When we're resting on bells, you just leave your hands up. You can put your hands down to rest position, which for you guys is actually like this. You can put your hands down when the song's over, but not in the middle of the song. Okay? Let's see if it says anything about sticking. It says use alternating sticking, alternate sticking, which is what we did in number 4. Alternating means right, left, or left, right. It does not mean right. What's going to happen is, because we're just learning to play, you're going to want to try to play everything with one hand because it's going to feel good on one hand and the other hand's not going to feel so good. We have to alternate our sticking. And actually, in our part of our practicing homework for bells is to play each song 2 times a day. So if you're going to do alternate sticking, maybe the first time you play it, you start with your right hand. When you play it the second time, start with your left hand. Okay? So let's get crazy. Let's start with our left hand first for number 5. Okay? Left hand first, left, right. Over a D. So we got D, then we have C, then we have B flat, then we have C. So let's get over our D. Okay? Here we go. Number 5. 1, 2. Start on D. Left, right. Rest. Move your hands to C. Rest. Stretch out hands for B flat. Move back to C. Go. Rest, and the song's over. Awesome. So for part of your homework, not only are you going to play every song on page 6 twice, you're going to figure out numbers 6 and 7 on your own. You can figure out that there's still C, B flat, and D, just all in different orders, okay? And I'm going to post the play-along tracks. Now, if you guys have a red, a purple banner on the front of your book, you actually have access to the play-along tracks. On the inside cover of your book, it's the IPS system. You can put this on your computer or tablet. However, someone has put all of the tracks already on a YouTube playlist, which I think is a lot easier to use. So I will post that in our Canvas so that you can play along. And I will post a video of playing along so you know what it sounds like and you can practice without having to sound alone. All right, I can't wait to see your videos this week, so happy practicing.